Hello, my name is Iza. I work for Świat, Języków, and I hope you remember me from the first episode. Today I'm going to talk about Matura speaking exam task number 3. In the third task of speaking Matura exam, you will be asked to present your point of view, choose one option and reject one or two. You will be asked to express your opinions, attitudes and feelings. You need to present advantages and disadvantages of different solutions and ideas. You have 15 minutes for all the task. You will have about 1 minute to prepare your speech. Then you will have to answer to questions connected with the topic. First, you should introduce the topic quickly. Then choose one option and reject the others. Usually you have 3 pictures or posters, but sometimes there are only 2. While speaking, mind your language and focus on grammatical and lexical correctness. You need to use advanced vocabulary and grammatical structures if you want to get maximum points. Try to give at least 3 arguments from different fields. In our example, we have to choose the accommodation suitable for a university student to rent a room. The best option will be, let's say, option number 2. There we can see a housing estate in the suburbs of the city, and the accommodation can be less expensive than in the city center. There are a lot of modern flats, and probably there we can find a suitable room for us. It's peace and quiet, which can be good for our studying process. Another advantage is that commuting to the university probably would be easy, as there are many people living in this area. So there are buses or underground station nearby. Now, let's reject 2 options. Picture number 1 presents the city center. We can find a room, but probably very expensive. People usually rent the rooms for business purposes, not for living. It's noisy and crowded. In picture 3, there are terraced houses, and probably finding a room would be difficult. People travel by their own cars, and it would be a problem to commute to the university every day. It's far away from the city center. And now, what about 2 questions do we have to answer? For example, what furniture and appliances are, in your opinion, necessary in a rented room? Or, in many modern houses, there is no wall between the kitchen and the living area. What's your opinion about this? And again, you need to develop your point of view with 3 different arguments for both questions. Then your exam is over.